Team Implode Audio. For the love of bass, this beat is powered by DJ Drop. Increase volume levels now. Enjoy your bass experience.
Alright, we got a new toy for the MA Audio 18. Sitting over here. Oh, look at that sexy thing. Sitting next to its big brother right there. You got the MAHK 1800D. Oh, it's such a sexy little amp. You got 340 amp fuses, 0 gauge hookups. It's got the same meter on it. Shows your voltage and your temperature. Also how much output is being put out, just like mine. Also got a set of the Audio Q 6.5s for the win, man, and the Super Tweets. There's some big bad tweeters right here. These will be going in the rear deck lid. He's got more of the 6.5s ordered, so they'll be coming for the front doors. Alright, so for now we're mounting it right underneath the aero port. MA Audio 401SX 1800 watt RMS monoblock high current competition amp.
Can you feel the bass? Team Implode Audio, for the love of bass.